at our local gun range today. We are practicing, doing some target practice, because if you're going to own a gun, you need to be a well-learned gun shooter, gun owner, because, you know, we don't want to blow our lungs out. So my husband's going to go first, so I'm going to let you have a little look-see. That's loud.
Huh?
So that's loud. What were you shooting?
Let's see when he gets here, I'll tell you.
No, what's the name of that gun?
It's a Kel-Tec P50. Oh, that's way off. Okay. I think you just gotta go to the right. So that one's good.
You hit it right in the middle right there. Woo-woo!
Not a very good grouping though, but. Alright. Shooting for the duck?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
That was low that time, wasn't it?
Yeah, there's a couple way low.
Come out.
Okay. Pull it in.
I got around the duck.
Yeah, that's way.
It's way better than last time.
Yeah, you're all over, but you're better than last time for sure.
Yay! Hey, so we're back at home now. We shot several rounds at the gun range, had a good time. I did a lot better this time than I did last time. It's funny because we're very competitive, and last time my husband did better than me, and that has been eating away at me because I don't want him to do better than me. I want to do better than him. So, but we had a good time. It's good, you know, good competition. But then we went to Longhorn and had dinner. Today's my birthday. I'm 50 years old today. I had weird feelings about turning 50 because, you know, well, I'm getting older. But I'm thankful to be here, and I'm thankful that I made it to 50. I'm thankful that God blessed me with the family that I have, and that I get to love them and care for them. I get to see them every day, or speak to them, or FaceTime them. I get to love on them children and just be a part of their life. I'm thankful for my husband. He is a blessing. He loves me so great, and it makes me feel special. I'm thankful for my mom and dad for all that they've done for me throughout my whole life. Just because I'm 50 doesn't mean that they've stopped loving me any less than they have. They are a blessing to my family, loving my children and my grandchildren the way that they do. So just wanted to pop on and give a little update for Kelly's Front Porch Looking In. And as one of my birthday presents, I got a GoPro. So hopefully now I'll be able to make even more videos and be able to have, you know, build up my channel. So I hope to see y'all. Thank y'all for watching this episode of Kelly's Front Porch Looking In, and I will see y'all next time.